Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the very next day of me installing my shadow lights on my truck. As you can see, like I said yesterday, I ended up damaging this mirror trying to install it following some instructions I found online. Well, actually on a YouTube channel. Like I said, all of these mirrors are made differently, but I was able to do the other side without any damage. So let's go ahead and look at the other mirror here. Oh, so here we go. That mirror is not damaged in any way whatsoever. I am going to order another set of mirrors and install them. And once they're installed, you know, the wiring's already there for the mirror, or for the shadow lights, but the it'll have nice new mirrors. I mean, these mirrors aren't that old, but let's go ahead and take a look at how they look all the way around. So let me go ahead and, well, open one of these doors. There we go. So there's this side. So you've got F350 Super Duty. It's a bunch of grass over here, so it's not really coming out that clear. But let's go to the other side, if I can get over there before it shuts off. So there's this side, of course, if you guys, as you guys remember, F350 Super Duty. That's on gravel. So I really like the way it turned out. My next video is going to possibly be me replacing the front grille. This is a 2005 bumper on a 2002 F350, but the grille is for an 02, and they are slightly different in size. So once my grille comes in, I will show you guys. But let's take one more look at how that turned out. I'm actually very happy, and that looks really good. Let's step back a little bit. Yeah, that came out really nice. I'll have to move locations, that way it'll show up better, but I'm slowly making it look nicer and nicer. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Later, Gators.